Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics. Your phone is charged and you know the current PIN. This prevents lockouts. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Security. Names vary by phone. Make sure you have a backup PIN or password entered. Phones require it to permit fingerprint changes. This step lets the system authenticate you, so you can safely add or change credentials. Now tap fingerprints to begin the process of modifying how your fingerprint unlocks the device. Once you tap fingerprints, the phone asks you to authenticate. Enter the current PIN or password. This proves it's you. After authentication, you'll see registered fingerprints. Choose one to delete, rename, or edit. If you re-enroll, follow on-screen prompts and place your finger at different angles and pressures so the sensor maps more surface area. Make sure to capture both fingertip center and edges. This reduces false rejects. After saving, test the fingerprint immediately to confirm it unlocks consistently. Now, if you want a new phone password, go to Screen Lock Settings and change the PIN/password. This becomes your fallback. Make sure the toggle for fingerprint unlock is enabled so biometric access works with the new password. Once done, lock the phone and test unlocking with both the fingerprint and the PIN to ensure synchronization. If something goes wrong, clean the sensor, re-register the finger, or restart the phone. These fixes resolve most recognition issues quickly, and they prevent accidental lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.